Look at him touching the roof. I knew he'd come back. Look at that. Surveillance. After everyone's aware of his shit, too. Why isn't someone waiting for that stupid moron to land? What an idiot. It's the same dumbass as all the other times that I've been subjected to. Surprised he can even fucking make his way to... I bet he has help, like, walking to the plane and shit. Eating food. Hey, dumbass, we know you're a very good soldier over here, you know? Maybe we get your ass out here and do some good flights, you know? You're so fucking stupid, we'll send you. We're not going out, but we'll send you, you know? There's one of his buddies, you know? Hey, genius over here. Why don't you do some flips too? That was some beautiful flying. Thank you for the heads up. Loud as hell coming in. That was beautiful. Especially like that you're pretty much sideways in the air when I got out here. The style, the estilo that you provided us this morning was very beautiful. It's just amazing that you can do such fine work in such a small plane, you know. To come down here and share your time with us. You don't get to see this all the time in Mission Viejo, you know. We're actually far from the airport. So for you to provide us with such beauty and entertainment and estilo for such a long period of time, you know, it's a real treat because you don't get that around here. And the speed. I hope they have a lot of snacks for you when you get back, because that was beautiful. If you people there on the desk are listening, you know, make sure you get him some good stuff, fatten him up. It's just so beautiful. Look, that's all I had to do is talk shit like a dumbass for a second. Here he is. Isn't that retarded? Good job, surveilling. Here we go. Same moron they've unleashed on me for all this fucking time. 2 years. Severely mentally ill dumbass. I know he has a shiny head too. He goes around saying sir and all kinds of shit. They're all fucking mentally ill together. You know what? I've had it. I'm coming back a third time. I'm gonna fucking land on your head, bro. I'll show you. And do this one for the Latinos, who I'd also like to thank for their distribution. Some parts of their culture are really brilliant. I wonder if you're a Latino or just one of those, like that melonhead dude at the park. It's hard to tell. You're proud of me, boss? I'm coming in for a third swipe. If I take out a house or a pole, it's his fault. No. It's the Russians. Not us. No, we're good. We're very good. Smart mostly, you know. When you control everything, you know, and there's no competition, you're free to become whatever you want and hold it to whatever standard you want, you know, and then we have what we have here today. It's pretty good, pretty good. We're going for a round 3. We do believe he's this stupid. Round 3. We'd like a few more rounds, actually, you know. Boys got a lot of snacks back there for you, probably, on the couch, you know, and you can all talk crap in a circle and honor each other. Probably have some uniforms. You can say sir and stuff, you know, and all hate together. Some group psychology. Go get him. No, okay, boss. Don't do anything stupid on camera, though. Okay, okay, boss. I'm going. I'm going, boss. Don't forget that now there's actually normal people in the justice system watching us after all the other recent uploads, and they know about our bullshit and the fake fires and everything else and all the fake news and all the corrupt shit we've done. So don't do anything stupid now that you're being, oh, okay. Okay. I'm going. This one's for the boys, boss. Like, there's his buddy trying to tell him not to come back. Don't do it, George. Don't do it. Alright, I couldn't get them to come back talking crap. Someone at the desk probably told them. They actually probably had a group meeting since they can't think alone, and they decided. It's good times. Thanks for the footage.